Hello everyone, my name is Karenza Auriel Manatha from 10 IPA 2, and today I am going to be explaining about the basics of trigonometry. First, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships involving lengths and angles of triangles. In other words, trigonometry is a system that helps us to work out missing sides or angles in a right-angled triangle. First, let's see how we can calculate the missing side of a right-angled triangle using trigonometry. The most important thing is to know and understand the terms for right-angled triangle. Let's take a look at the triangle in the bottom left corner. The little box indicates the right angle. The other known angle is indicated by theta, or the symbol that looks like a zero with a horizontal line in the middle. The longest side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite the theta is called the opposite side, and the side that's next to theta but is not the hypotenuse is called the adjacent side. Now, let's talk about their relationship to the sides of the triangle. When the adjacent and the hypotenuse sides are known, we use the CHA formula, which cos theta is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. If the hypotenuse and the opposite sides are involved, we go by the SO formula, where sin theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse side. Lastly, if the adjacent and the opposite sides are involved, we use the TOA formula, which tan theta is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. Now, let's figure out the missing side of this triangle. Here, we can see that the opposite and the hypotenuse sides are involved. Therefore, we use the SO formula, which, expanded, becomes sin theta equals to opposite side over hypotenuse side. Here we know that the known angle is 30 degrees and the known adjacent side is 20. Let's insert this number into the formula. And then, we do a cross multiplication. And then you'll get this equation. And because we are looking for x, we change this into an x equals equation. And then, you'll get 40 for x. Next, let's see how we can calculate unknown angles if given two known sides. Here, we're going to use the term inverse a lot, so it's best if we understand them first. Inverse means 1 over something. For example, take a look at the box in the top left corner. Inverse sin means 1 over sin, inverse cos means 1 over cos, and inverse tan is 1 over tan. Now, let's talk about the inverse trigonometry function. The same rule applies for these three functions, but when we want to calculate the angle, we must inverse sin, cos, or tan. Let's try to find the missing angle of this triangle. Here, we know that the value of the hypotenuse and the adjacent side. Therefore, we will be using the SO formula. Only, the sin is inverse this time, like so. The theta represents the angle we're looking for. Now, insert the value of the opposite side and the hypotenuse into the function. You can calculate this with your calculator, and you should get 30 degrees as the unknown angle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new from this video. I hope this video can help you to do your math homework or maybe learn a little bit more about math, and I hope that you now understand the basics of trigonometry. Thank you for watching.